morning. I'm Scott Ferris with Winter Equipment. I'm here with Tim Madigan from JC Madigan. He's going to let us know what he does here for the company and how long he's been in business.
Thanks, Tim. Thanks for coming in and visit. So as you said, I'm Tim Madigan, and the company is JC Madigan Inc. We are a full-line truck equipment distributor, which means that we work on everything from truck accessories and vans to dump bodies to municipal packages, triaxle dumps, double wing plows, as well as specialty equipment like sweepers and environmental equipment. We've been at this location now for 13 years. My father started the business in 1955 in Harvard, Mass. He started spreading agricultural equipment throughout New England. The agricultural equipment turned into selling lime and lime spreaders, and the lime spreaders turned into salt spreaders, platform bodies, dump bodies, snow plows, and now a full line of truck equipment. So we're here in Lancaster, Mass on 100 acres. Our building behind me is approximately 2 acres. We have full capabilities for fabrication, install, paint, as well as a large source of parts. I think that a lot of contractors out there like to come and see us in the winter when their equipment's down. Even if we didn't sell it, we probably have the part for them, so we do appreciate that. We have a friendly, knowledgeable staff in the parts department, 3 counter guys that do a great job of answering phones, shipping out orders, and handling walk-in business. So hopefully we can sell more winter products. We built this building 13 years ago. We set it up so we have heavy parts, accessories. The showroom's set up with by category, so we have towing, cargo control, transfer tanks, inverters, van equipment, live active lighting displays. So from here we roll into our warehouse, which is 21,000 square feet of high bay storage. Each rack is set up so it has location and all items are barcoded. It has, broken into different brands. So this side here we have Highway, this side here we have Airflow, we have also some poly spinners. So this brings us to the shop, a total of 24 bays. So bay 1 is our checkout bay. Every truck that we assemble, whether it's a van, a plow, a triaxle dump, a double wing plow, everything goes through bay 1. Checks the order for completeness. So if you order an asphalt tarp, you get an asphalt tarp. Confirms all the lighting. On large trucks, they'll run them for an hour or so, checking for leaks. Identify all the serial numbers and put the certifications on it. Complete the documentation and send it forward to service. So the first 4 bays on this end of the building, you'll notice there's smaller doors, and they're set up for plow installs, van installs, and single wheel utility installs. You'll see the larger doors at the other end of the shop, and they're under the crane, and they're set up for municipal packages of different sorts. So in large builds, we complete CAD drawings of the entire body. That way they're laid out consistently. It's a steel rack. It's allowed us to create more space and get steel out of various bays. Each bin holds 10,000 pounds from the top and store 40,000 pounds. We use the crane to remove the different pieces. Also accounts for inventory, so we can see what product we have. And it was all piled up on top of each other. It was on the bottom, we just reordered it. Here's our fab area. Shear, press brake. We work in steel, stainless, and aluminum. Chop saw right near the rack, so when it comes off it gets cut. Over here we have our new plastic sheet. It allows us to design and cut many different items. Shop continues out to the paint area. We have a 75-foot booth that's 20 by 20 with a divider in the middle, so it allows us to do 2 operations simultaneously. And we can bake, so we can rotate our paint jobs in a more efficient manner. In order to achieve the various colors, we operate with 2 different paint sources. We use Sherwin-Williams and PPG. A lot of times one manufacturer can't meet the exact paint match. So this booth is set up to do water and urethanes. And again, the divider in the middle. The nice thing about these booths, it looks white and you see the different paint on it. However, this is a coating, so we can spray this off and bring this back to its original look, as well as the cloth on the floor. We peel that up and we still have the original concrete floors. This is our off-truck plow assembly area. So we try to build every off-truck before the plow is installed on the truck, so when it's ready, it's mated up. All the accessories are added at this time, whether it's a snowplow or winter edge. Everything's put on here, stored outside and tagged. In the off-season, we'll also assemble van interior equipment. This side of the building is primarily vehicle storage. Vehicles that are still in process or waiting to get worked on. Here's our off-truck plow assembly area. So we set them in there by brand, by model of the various plows that are set up. Again, some may be stock, some may be tagged for jobs. So we'll pre-paint the bodies, have them out here ready for the installer to assemble onto the truck. Likewise, with dump bodies, we do the same. Everything's outfitted per the order, and they get shipped the paint. Upfitter works on the vehicle and then mates the body to the vehicle upon completion. Sanders and small hook lifts that we pre-assemble that will go into the truck with the fenders, underbelly pan, stainless, all the hydraulics ready to go. Just make up the fittings, plumb it to the truck. So this here is our equipment. So we have it set up with a large area. We have 2 loaders with snow pushers that we run. We have a ramp truck, a hook lift truck, and a platform delivery truck, so we can service our own needs. On the east side of the building, we keep most of the merchandise that we use to install, so plows, bodies. Everything is in rows by brand, so Knapheide utilities, Knapheide platforms, dump bodies, more Sanders down there, this is Polly's. You see the various municipal snowplows. Dump bodies, all shapes and sizes, for single axles, tandems, and tri-axles. And again, more snow plows, more dump bodies.
I've been here at 94, will be 29, will be 30 years.
Right.
We've been together since 94. He was born 67, I was born 67, he graduated 86, I graduated 86. I've been with this family for 30 years. We've had a great time, great people, good morals. We couldn't ask for a better family to work for, I'll tell you that. They're good people.
Kelly's our utility body specialist, so he does every size, shape of utility, bangs them out every day.
Try to do the best I can every day.
So how long have you been here?
Coming up on 20 years.
This is JR, he's been with us for coming up on 20 years.
Hi guys.
Yeah, JR was at our old facility, like Kelly, and he right now is doing a central hydraulic job.
Yeah, beautiful trucks we build here at JC Madigan.
Perfect. This is our heavy parts counter. So in the winter, this is where guys will come for, sander motors, hoses, cylinders, trip edges, winter curb guards. Meeting area set up with a television. So in the winter, when plow repairs come in, to get on a list, stand by, first come, first serve, so to speak. Right near the parts counter, we have a nice little winter display showing all the different types of plow curb guards, plow guides that we have in stock. This is a picture taken probably about 15 years ago, maybe closer to 20, on my father's 80th birthday. Actually, this is a picture taken about 25 years ago on my father's 80th birthday with my brother and myself. Both my brother and father have since passed. We have active lighting displays. Our customers can come in and see our products all lit up.